Package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about, once again, a multi-game card from a friend from China. This one I did a review about the same amount of games, but this is the new and improved version. They did some changes. For example, they swapped out some games. The cartridge, the shell itself, it's pretty damn nice. It's made from pretty thick plastic, so that is something they changed. And this one is screwed together, because previous models or very cheap cards were only glued or clicked together. This one, you can already see it. It got a little battery, so this means the games that can save or have this original game hasn't saved possibility can now be saved. So that's pretty cool. Finally, they are learning it over there, that you're bringing out multi-game cards with save function. So very cool. A big amount of games. I'm very curious what we're going to get. So let's stick it in my MegaDrive and let's see what we're going to get. Ooh, I like the label. Alright. Hey guys, welcome back. So, I want to point out something. If you look at the left top corner, you're seeing here Japan PAL. This is the region where your system is on. So that doesn't mean this cartridge is Japanese PAL or whatsoever. I'm going to give you a great example. I am using this on the Retro 3 Plus, and when I'm swapping out regions, okay, let me switch. And not with the Nintendo Switch, but with the Retro 3 Plus. And what you can see at the left corner, it's indicating what kind of region I am having. Just wanted to point this out. Alright, let's take a closer look at the menu. I really like the background song. I'm guessing this Mind Kids having some great multi-game cards. Alright, so having this small preview, pretty damn awesome. I'm just going to give you a quick scroll through the list. There are some good games on it. Yeah. Even more to come too. Pretty awesome. Alright. So these are the games. We'll do a short gameplays and let's go. No talking, only gameplay.
Live from your grave. automatic. Get ready. Don't make me laugh. Fight! Coward.
Alright, for the final conclusion, what do I think of this multi-game card? So let's talk about it. Is this really an upgrade of the old one? Yes, of course, there are some new features that are really cool. But still we have a lot of the same games. It's not like you're saying, okay, we're grabbing this card, this version number 2, we're having a total new list of games. No, they're just swapping out some games. There are still a lot of crappy games. So yeah, this is what you're basically going to get. So I think it's not bad at all. So let me know what you think of this, what do you think of these multi-cards, and what do you think of this collection. I really love to know. But I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.